to a bee? Bzz. Bzz. What do you say to a dog? What's the next page? Let's see it. Oh, what do you say to a sheep? Oh, what do you say to a donkey?
What's a sheep?
Oh, where's the sheep? You missed one. Oh, go back one more. What do you say to a sheep?
What's a ducky? Quack, quack.
Quack, quack.
What's a ducky? What's them?
I don't know. Sheep?
Sheep.
Mr. Sheep?
What's a sheep? What's a sheep?
Yeah.
What did you say? Quack, quack.
Quack, quack.
What's a duck say? Meow. Meow. What's a mouse say? Eat. 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 What's a ducky say? Hee haw. Hee haw. What's Chissy? Where's a picture? No, this is tail. Eddie, see, this is tail. No. This is a frog. No. This is tail. No. That's a page. No. That's a page. No, this is a snake. No, that's a doggy. This is it. No, that's a doggy. Not a snake. That's a bee. That's a rat.